In this video, I'm going to show you how to get big plants fast and grow a garden on Roblox. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, you need sprinklers. These help your plants grow faster. Try to buy as many as you can. The more, the better. If they're out of stock, just grab what's available for now. Next, choose the plants you want to grow big. Make sure you have the seeds ready in your inventory before planting. Now go to your garden. Before planting anything, place your sprinklers down. I only have one right now, but it still works. Put them where they can cover the most space. This makes sure your plants get watered. After the sprinklers are placed, start planting your seeds within the range of the sprinklers. Make sure the seeds are close enough to be watered. Here's the trick. Once everything's set, leave the game and wait for at least 2 hours. When you come back, your plants will be way bigger than usual. And that's it. That's how you grow big plants fast and grow a garden. If this helped you out, leave a like, comment, big plants, and don't forget to subscribe for more Grow a Garden tips. See you next time.